class 5 in your EDS learning class, and this is your revision time, and we are revising all the chapters. So the very first chapter, super senses, we are revising, and in yesterday we revised already the waking and sleeping time of different animals, where we have taken one example of sloth. So we came to know sloth is a very lazy animal, and it sleeps more or less 17 to 18 hours. It hangs in a tree, and it takes and eats all the leaves of that tree, and only within 24 hours, if it sleeps 18 hours, that means remaining 6 hours it awakes and just doing his other works like eating and other works of metabolic activities, sometimes seeing here and there, whatever he does, that is within the 6 hours. But it is a very different type of animal. It hangs from that tree where it lives, and after finishing all the leaves from that tree, it changes its tree. It goes from that tree to another tree. Okay, and once in a week it comes down from the tree to relieve itself or to exfoliate. So that's all about the sloth. We came to know that it is a very unusual sleeping time and a very unusual kind of animal. Now few more animals are there. We come to know their waking and sleeping habits. So there is one chakra given, and you see it will take, this is a 24-hour clock, and this clock is divided into how many units? 12 units, or you can say this is being divided into 12 parts. So if it is divided into 12 parts, that means each unit represents 2 hours. As each unit is representing 2 hours, that means 1 unit means 2 hours. So 2 units means 4 hours. Then 3 units means 6 hours. So like that, after the sixth division, we can see here it will be 12 hours, because 6 2s are 12. So within this 24 hours, if 12 units are there, or 12 fractions are there, that means 6 units or the 6 divisions means 12 hours. So by this way, we come to know different animals' waking and sleeping habit. So the first one is given here. If how will you show? Here it is given different kinds of animal, and the very first, this chakra is being given. So what is it? How will you allow the clock for a house lizard in winter? As we know, in winter season, house lizards go for the long sleep. So we have to shade all the parts of this chakra or the clock. We have to just shade all the parts. That means 24 hours in the winter season, lizard sleeps. Now next, if we'll go for the another pictures, we will see and find out the waking and sleeping time of the different animals. So given here the sleeping time of some animals right below each pictures for how many hours a day that animal sleeps. So first one is cow. As the 2 units are being shaded and others are vacant. So how many hours? That means 2 2s are 4. Cow sleeps only 4 hours, and other 20 hours it awakes. That means out of 24 hours, cow sleeps only 4 hours, and other 20 hours it awakes. Now the python is there. You will see all are shaded except these 3. That means 9 fractions, or you can say 9 parts out of 12 are being shaded. That means 9 2s are 18. So the python also sleeps 18 hours. It awakes only 6 hours. And within this 6 hours, it does its all kind of work, metabolic activities, what kind of work, eating and going out, whatever the work it has, excreting, whatever the work it has, it does within these 6 hours. Now giraffe is a very unusual sleeping. Only 1 fraction is being shaded. That means giraffe sleeps only 2 hours, and remaining 22 hours it is awaking and it is awake. So giraffe awakes 22 hours and only 2 hours it sleeps. That means it is very less time it sleeps and takes rest. Now the next is cat. See, half of the fractions are out of 24 or the 12 units. The 6 units are being shaded. That means cat sleeps 12 hours and 12 hours it awakes. So there are different kind of sleeping habit you can find from this time clock or from this 24 hours time clock. And so there are few examples are given, and we came to know what are their sleeping time and how many hours they awakes. Now from this we came to know their waking and sleeping time. Now from this we come to know cow sleeps only how many hours? 4 hours. Python sleeps 18 hours, whereas giraffe sleeps only 2 hours and cat sleeps 12 hours. So all the animals we came to know, whereas in the winters lizards sleep 24 hours because it is a long deep sleep and they go for a long sleep. Every day they do not wake up. Okay. Now make that list of 10 such questions which you think about the animal, like what they eat, where are the places they go, and is it they are carnivorous or is it they are herbivorous. You can choose few of the animals and make their list, and whatever the question comes in your mind, you make the list and find about that or the search about that. Okay, so that's all for today, and next time we will take one very unusual and very prompt example of tiger. And till that, goodbye. Take care about yourself and do all the homeworks from the e-book.